So Namaste, I am Shubhendu Kes, L&D manager working at Sarovar Portico Kolkata Rajarhat. So Sarovar Portico Kolkata Rajarhat signed a MOU with sister Nivedita University, which is in Newtown, Kolkata. So sister Nivedita University has introduced a work integrated learning development program where student will get advantage in terms of paid internship. Apart from that, the placement support too. The student can experience about the hospitality industry, hotel industry's real world. So please join SNU University and learn about the hospitality industry. Thank you.
I am Suman Shah. I am working here as a duty manager at Sarovar Portico Kolkata. So basically, Sister Nivedita University has introduced a program called Work Integrated Learning Program. We have got an MOU with Sister Nivedita University. This is a program where the students will get a chance and an opportunity to work here with us among all the major departments as a paid intern